Today, we're going to talk about something huge: how you can use the power of AI to build a real significant side income. We're going to cover 4 solid ideas that you can literally start today, even if you have a full-time job and basically zero cash to start with. Let's jump right in. You hear it all the time, right? AI is coming for our jobs. And look, while some things are definitely going to change, that's only half the story. The other side of that coin is this massive, wide open opportunity for anyone who's ready to use these tools to build something for themselves. So here's our game plan. We'll kick things off with a big picture, then we'll drive straight into 4 really powerful business ideas. And we'll wrap it all up with the most important part: a simple action plan to turn all this talk into actual income. Okay, so the main idea we're digging into today is actually really simple. AI has completely leveled the playing field. It's opening up these incredible new ways to make money that don't require you to be a coding genius or have a trust fund. It's all about having the right idea and the drive to make it happen. This quote, it just hits the nail on the head. The tools are right there, they're cheap, they're easy to use, and yet most people are just watching. This is not some overcrowded market. For anyone willing to just start, the window of opportunity is absolutely wide open right now. Let's get super practical with our first idea. Forget everything you think you know about huge, expensive social media agencies. We're talking about a lean, one-person operation powered by AI that creates amazing content for local businesses for way, way less than the old guys. And this is how you start. Seriously, it's this simple. First, for less than $100, you get your tools: Gemini for writing, FreePic for images. Second, you find 5 local businesses that need help. Think about your favorite coffee shop or a local clinic. Third, you actually use the tools to create a killer sample content plan just for them. Then, you just walk in and show them what you made. It's an incredible value they can't ignore. So, what does this actually look like in your bank account? Well, it adds up, and it adds up fast. Let's say you charge each of those 5 clients just a super reasonable $400 a month. Boom. That's $2,000 of recurring income every single month. For someone with a regular job, that is an absolute game changer you can build in your spare time. Okay, on to our second idea, and this one is all about getting ahead of the curve. We all know about SEO for Google, right? Well, the way we look for things is changing fast, and this next idea puts you right at the front of that change. Let me introduce you to GAO. That's Generative AI Optimization. All it means is making sure a business is the one that gets recommended when someone asks an AI like ChatGPT for a suggestion. This is the new frontier of marketing, and almost no one is selling this service yet. And this slide shows you exactly what's happening. On the left, that's the old way, typing keywords into Google. But on the right, that's the future, asking an AI for a direct, trusted answer. The AI looks at everything online and gives just 1 or 2 top results. If a local business isn't optimized to be that answer, they're going to be invisible. That's the problem you're going to solve for them. And the business model here is really smart. You can charge a one-time fee, maybe $650 or more, just to get them all set up. But then you can offer a monthly retainer to make sure they stay at the top. So you get paid up front and you build a steady, predictable income stream. All right, for our third idea, we're going to switch gears from services to products, specifically digital products that you can create once and sell over and over and over again. The secret sauce here is personalization, powered by AI, and the perfect example is custom children's stories. Just look at how easy this is. With one simple sentence, you can tell an AI to create a totally unique story, complete with illustrations where the hero is your client's child. You can create a story about literally anything: brushing their teeth, sharing their toys, you name it. This isn't just a product, it's an emotional connection. It's incredibly valuable. And the numbers on this are just fantastic. Because it's a digital PDF, it costs you nothing to deliver. So you could sell a package of, say, 4 stories for about $20. If you can find just 100 customers a month, which is totally doable on social media, that's over $2,000 in your pocket. It's almost pure profit. Idea number 4 is all about building digital assets, things that make you money over time, kind of on autopilot. We're going to look at 2 really powerful paths here: automated YouTube channels and no-code websites. Now, in the past, both of these things took a ton of time and skill. Not anymore. You can use AI to write video scripts, create a realistic voiceover, and find visuals for YouTube channel without ever showing your face. And at the same time, you can use no-code tools to build slick, professional websites for local businesses in just a few hours. And as you can see here, the income potential is no joke. That bar on the left? A faceless YouTube channel and a popular topic can easily bring in $1,000 to $3,000 a month just from ads. Now look to the right. Building just 5 simple websites can net you over $2,600. These are assets that keep paying you long after you've done the work. Okay, we've talked about the what. Now for the how. And honestly, this is the most critical part of this whole explainer. It's time to go from just having ideas to actually making them happen. This right here tells the whole story. It used to be that there was this huge technical wall stopping most of us from doing this stuff. Well, that wall is gone. The path is clear. The only thing standing in your way now isn't skill. It's just your mindset. It's about deciding to start and then actually doing it. So here it is, your launch sequence. Step 1, just pick one idea, the one that gets you excited. Focus all your energy there. Step 2, become a student again. Spend a couple of hours every day after work just mastering the tools for that one idea. Step 3, build a sample. Just a small, simple version to prove you can do it. And step 4, go for it. Launch and sell. Don't wait for it to be perfect. Just get out there. And in the end, that's really what this is all about. The opportunities are real. You have a clear step-by-step playbook right in front of you. So the question isn't, can I do this anymore? The only real question left is the one on the screen. What are you going to build first?